Right, hey guys, so today it's Glossybox day and for once I'm not actually in my dressing gown. That's a big thing for me. So yeah, today is Glossybox. I haven't even opened the package up yet, so let's get straight into it. I haven't seen any sneak peeks yet, which has been absolutely killing me, but I like to try and do a proper first impression. I have seen 2 sneak peeks though, again thank you to Glossybox Facebook page, but I already knew about one of the sneak peeks, so I can't really shout at them too much. Right, I can't get the box out. There we go. Right. Oh, okay, we've got some little coupons here as well. Got a Hello Fresh one, a Food Spring one, God Save the Cream, I don't know, got that, and then we also got a food shopping one there as well. They can just go into my recycling and the Glossybox. Right, I'm just going to get this open. And then we've got a little magazine, which I'll have a look through in a minute. Let's open this up and then you guys can have the first little look. I really need to sort out my desking positions. But right, you ready? Hopefully you can see. Can you see? Yeah, right. That's okay. Right, let's see what we've got then. So this actually looks really nice box. Ooh. Right, so first thing we got is Glow White Professional Choice Extra Strength Whitening Toothpaste. My teeth are quite yellow, so I'm not angry at that. Right, so this is a deluxe mini size. And the deluxe mini size is £1.50. The full size of 100ml is £4.20, and it's from a company called Glow White. I actually think I've tried this company before. I'm pretty sure I had it like a little travel kit when I went on holiday, but there is that. They also do a whole other range as well. So first product, toothpaste, yes, different, and I've never had one in a box before. I like. Right, next thing is Stamp and Drag Ciate London Stamp and Line Duo. Ooh. Right, so it says it's Stamp and Line Duo. The RRP this is £15 and it is a full-size product. It says, let your eyes extend to stage with this double-ended liner featuring wing-shaped stamp. Oh, I can't do wings. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. I love this box so far. Do a perfect wing liner every time. Start the stamp at the corner of each eye, then drag the pointed tip along the lash to join it to the stamp. Ooh, I thought this was just going to be a normal eyeliner for a second. Oh, I am excited. I've been eyeing up buying one of these for ages and I've been like, nah. Right, so let's see what size what. So it is cruelty-free company, which is great. Ooh, look at that. Right, let's do a stamp. Oh, look at that. Oh, I could do a wing liner. Oh, and then, oh, the tip knife on this as well. And then, oh, there is, so you can do a really thick tip like that. Oh, a teeny tiny one. Oh, I like this. And that stamp is really clear there as well. That thicker line went a bit funny, so I'm just going to try and do it again. Yeah, so there we go. So, ooh, that is a nice, oh, I am excited about that. So there's the eyeliner, and it's a nice black as well. And so that was £15, that's from Ciate London, if I'm saying the name right. Next thing is a deluxe mini. This was the sneak peek that I already knew about. It's the Black Magic Mascara. This deluxe mini is worth £10 and the full size is £19. Let's have a look, where are we? If you're looking for utterly bewitching... oh, sorry, my words don't work. If you're going to look utterly bewitching, thanks to this magical mascara. Boasting a curved brush and carbon black formula, it will effortlessly lift your lashes and give them volumized dramatic finish. So let's have a look at this. I do have about 2 or 3 different minis going at the moment, but what's another one to add to the mix, eh? Oh wow, okay, so there is that curve. Definitely very curved, and it's definitely very black as well. Ooh, I haven't tried anything from the Ico before, so that's going to be a nice one to try. Keep it in this box just so I know which ones I haven't tried. And then we've got a Sleek palette. I haven't really tried a lot from Sleek, to be honest. This is the highlighter palette in Copper Plate. Sounds like I probably won't be trying this on my cheeks. Great to turn some heads. courtesy of your new sleek highlighter palette featuring cream and powder, highly pigmented formula. It will give you a radiant and luminous glow. Sweep the highlighter onto the high points of your face for naturally catching light, including your cheekbones, chin, nose, brow arch and cupid's bow. So, let's have a look-see at this. So this is copper plate. I am, as you can see, extremely pale. So I am not quite sure how this is going to go. So let's have a look. Oh, it's pretty packaging. And this is, again, this is full size, sorry, and it is $9.99. So that is, you see my phone there, and all the rubbish. But there is that. Let's have a look. Oh, right, okay. So I thought it said there was cream in here as well. So have a look. So what does it say? It says it features creams and powders. But I can't see any creams in there. I actually might be able to use this palette as well. So, sorry about the mirror there, but there is the colours. So I don't really want to play this. I don't know if I'm going to get away with these shades. Now, do you know what? Let's do some swatches. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do the swatches probably on this section of my arm. I'll just move my bracelet out of the way. Okay, so the first shade is definitely a powder. Let's do another. So you can get true pigment. So there's, I mean, these might make really nice eyeshadows. And then that second one, that's actually quite a nice pink. I might be able to get away with that. It's like a rosy pink. I don't think I'd be able to see it on my pale skin. But there's that one. I haven't felt any cream powder products yet though. And then there is the next one. And then the final one. Yeah, I haven't felt any cream. So there's all 4 shades. I might be able to get away with that middle one there. So as I've used it, I can't pass it along to anybody. But my daughter might like it. But there is those. So it said here that there was a mixture. But that is definitely all cream, all powder products. I might see if I can get away with some of them as eyeshadows. I said I am quite pale and I've got nothing to put my hands on. But yeah, so there are the shades. So that one shade here might be able to use because you can hardly see it on my skin. But those others, no. Might make cute eyeshadows. But yeah, I think there was 2 different shades as well with this palette. But not for me, sadly. Lovely palette though. Really, really nice colours. Just a bit too dark for my pasty skin. And then we got one last one product, which is a full-sized. It's a long-lasting lipstick from Moko Beauty. I've just butchered that. There you go for everyone who wants to read backwards. Flawless pout all day long with help of this long-lasting lipstick. Its creamy formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, delivering an intense shot of colour while keeping your lips hydrated. Better yet, it's so weightless, hardly feel it on. This is a full-size product and it's worth £15. So, it says Flawless. I'm guessing the shade name is Flawless? Ooh! Yeah, okay, the shade name is Flawless. And that is the packaging, and it's a nude. We do like a nude. And there is that, and I will do a swatch for you because I do like a nude lipstick. Where should we pop it? We'll pop it here. Oh, that is creamy. That is so, so creamy. It says it's matte. Yeah, okay, I suppose that would be a matte. But it is basically the same colour as the packaging. I will put it on my lips. I've already got a pink lip stain on. So I can't really put it up against my lips, but that is nice. Oh, it's got a scent to it. I know I have a bit of a blocked nose, sorry for sniffing, but oh, it smells like grapefruity, I think it is. Ooh, okay, we like the lipstick. That is nice. So there is that one. So this is a bloody nice box. Load of full-size products in this as well. We've had 1, 2, 3 full-size and 2 deluxe minis. Good box. So we've got the lipstick, the highlighter palette that I will probably use as an eyeshadow palette. We've got the wing stamp. I cannot wait to try it. I might even try it after this video. Got the wing stamp. We've got the mascara, and we have the toothpaste. So I've got all these products in this Glossybox. I am loving Glossybox at the moment. It is one of my favourite boxes, apart from FabFitFun. Haven't seen that video, I will post it below. It is a brilliant box. That has got to be my favourite box of all. This is a very close second, especially this month. So these are those, and let's just see. So have we got a sneak peek? Yes, we do have a sneak peek. So that is the product there, and I'll just read about it for you now. So it says, let your beauty blossom this spring. In April, we'll be introducing to you the benefits of botanical infused beauty products and their delicious floral scents. Best yet, you'll get treated to a gentle face exfoliant. I'm very, very particular with my face exfoliants. They have to be very, very fine, not have any almond in it, not have any harshness to it. I'm not a fan, but we'll give it a go. Might be good for the body. From our event with £92. So I'm guessing that's going to be a full size. So if you are interested in that, it says you'll be blooming with rose extract, which soothes and softens your skin for a truly refreshed looking complexion. Seeing as it is a high-end product, I would expect the ingredients to be really, really good in there. Nothing to be too harsh, nothing to be too stripping, nothing to really damage the skin. Because a big thing that exfoliants can do is they can leave micro tears on your skin, which obviously you can't see them, but it does damage the skin. But seeing as it is meant to be worth £92, it is a high-end product, I would expect that should be okay. But that is April sneak peek. If you're interested in the Glossybox, and especially in the products that I got in my box, I think I had pick 3. Obviously you get different choices. Let's just have a look. What? Yeah, mine was variation 3, which is an... Oh, God, my room smells. So I was burning incense before I did this video, and I can still smell the incense now. So yeah, so I had variation 3 in my box. I'm super impressed that I got. But if you are interested, everyone will be getting that product next month. I will put my link below as well for you. And I think you do save a little bit of money on that as well. I can't remember. I'll look it up before I post the link below. And I'll also post a link to my FabFitFun as well, because that was a great box. I actually got this from it, and it is really, really nice. I'll also be posting on Instagram as well, probably. I've been saying this and I still haven't done it yet. I'm thinking about doing some little quick videos from everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. And I might even do a quick video on this. Might even do a quick video on this. I might even do a YouTube video on this yet. Let me know below what you'd like, if you want me to just do a quick Instagram video, or if you'd like me to do a dedicated video to this product. I won't try it until you guys have decided, and if none of you decide, which will be a bit sad, but if none of you do, then I'll probably just chuck it straight onto Instagram because that's quicker for me. But yes guys, I'm now going to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss my weekly videos. See you guys!